Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So today is Tuesday and this is my second day of option trading. Now, if I'm truthful, I actually only spent probably about an hour today, which isn't a bad thing. If anything, is a good thing. It's just that I had to execute a couple of trades on my phone, and then when I got back from uni, same as yesterday, just cooked my food. Letting it cool down. Thought I would do a bit of a recap. I think you can see this. Yeah, so we're sitting up $35 on the day, year to date. So profit from today and yesterday, $55. And if we just go on to my activity, fair few trades today. If you just see, let's just go on to positions. So you can see. Oh wait, so you can see these were the trades that I made on my activity. It looks like there's quite a lot of, in and out, because obviously I was buying contracts and selling them quite frequently. But basically I actually traded about 7 stocks today. And as you can see, they are here. So basically I lost on 2 of them and then I won on the rest. So I won on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then lost on the 2. So it's not too bad overall. I mean, I cut the losses. I mean, my losses are smaller than my gains. Didn't want to really take a $10 loss on BA, but it is what it is. I got $16 on Facebook, $12 on CGC, and $11 on GM. You can see these we were going long, and then puts on here as well. So these were shorts, but overall, not too bad. I didn't capture any of the trades, unfortunately. The reason why is just basically, like I said, I put on some trades before I went to uni, and then when I got to uni, I executed the trade. So they had already got basically, they were at my price. So if you just go on here, this is kind of basically what happened. So let's just see if these are in order. So yeah, these are in orders from today. So if the time is at, can we click that? No. So the time is at the bottom. So the first trade to the last trade being in reverse, order basically. So at the bottom to the top. So you can see 7:30, and if you just see, it's now 10 to 8 for me. So this is obviously in the 12-hour clock. So the first trade was at 25 to 3, and as you can see, we got in at GM. So we got in for $12 and $13. We sold at $18. Okay, and then as you can see on here, BA, we got in at 41, sold at 31, took a bit of a hit. Facebook 77, sold at 80. CGC got in at 30, sold at 37. CGC again 16 to 21. And then Facebook, we made a bit on X here, basically break even, and then on Facebook made a little bit. And then on Facebook again earlier today, I managed to buy Facebook for 63 and got out at 72, which is not too bad. And I got in on X here at 34, sold at 37. These are really small incremental, differences. It's not a huge increase, but what I want to stress is there's not a lot of risk that's going in here. Let's just have a look at the highest risk. So the highest one on here is 84. Okay, so you're talking $84 I'm risking. So the maximum I risked today on the market, not even hypothetically, let's speak truthfully, the most I risked today, okay, was $84 in theory, because that was the most expensive trade. I had a couple trades on at a time, but let's just try and keep it simple. The most I risked was $84, and as you can see today, we netted $35. So it's about a 45% gain again. I'm putting in some of these contracts. Look, my first contract was $12. I brought 3 of them, or 2 of them, should I say, 2 of them here, but all my contracts are mainly one. Look, I brought 3 here because this one was 10 cents, so $10. I brought 3 of them for $30. £1 of contracts, so $3 in fees. But overall, it was a fairly. So I've hit my, my profit per day kind of target in a reasonable time schedule, I guess. Only, a couple hours today. $35, $21 yesterday. So I want to try and average $25 to $30 a day. which is maybe $120 to $150 a week. Like I said, the account is only a small account. This is kind of, just building the account up slowly. It's not all the money I have in the world in this account, but it's just a small portion so that I can practice and hopefully try and build the account up. But I don't really need a lot of money in this account, just purely for the fact that I'm only really trading about £100 worth a day, because I'm keeping the risk so low and the expectation's quite low. Although I guess risking $100 to make $35 is still good gains. You're talking 35% gains. And today I risked $80, $85, $86 to get $35 back. So in total, it's going good. Keeping the risk low, and we are just trying to be consistent, disciplined, and unfortunately, I'm at university, so it's difficult for me actually to. I only really have one day off a week, which is Wednesday, tomorrow, and I actually have two exams, and I also have a presentation for survey analysis, which is next week. So I won't actually probably be able to trade tomorrow unless maybe I'll be able to trade from like 6 till 9 for the last 2 hours of the market close. We'll have to see. But other than that, guys, I know it's not been a fully kind of in-depth video of me actually getting in and out of my trades. I do wish to actually do some live trading very shortly. Like I say, get these next couple of weeks out of the way, and then I can focus on my I only have 3 subjects left for the rest of the year, so it gives me a bit more time and a bit more focus on trading as well as being at uni. So hopefully it won't be as bad, because obviously my exams are way at the end of the year, and I'm only working now 20 hours a week, so which is Friday night to Sunday daytime. So it means I have Monday to Friday to trade. So it's working good. I think that's going to be the end of the video. Like I say, just building the account up slowly, keeping it small, but keeping it consistent, and I think that's it. So if you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It'll help me help you. And if you've got any comments, questions, or anything you want to suggest or ask me, leave them in the comment section below, and I will probably get back to you pretty quickly. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next video.